Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure MySQL or MariaDB is running, then open Phpmyadmin's config. Inc. PHP to check host, user, and auth type settings. If auth type is set to config, verify the stored password matches MySQL's user password. If cookie, prepare correct credentials. Once done, test a local MySQL uroot p login to isolate whether the issue is Phpmyadmin or database authentication. These steps rule out simple mismatches before you change users or permissions. Next, fix authentication. If login fails, reset the MySQL user password using alter user or SET password, then grant appropriate privileges and run flush privileges. Make sure the user's host matches Phpmyadmin's connection. Use localhost versus % appropriately. If you use a socket, confirm Phpmyadmin points to the same socket file. If connecting over TCP, check MySQL's bind address. Once privileges and connection method match, try logging into Phpmyadmin again to confirm success. Finalize by restarting services. Restart MySQL and your web server, then clear browser cache and retest Phpmyadmin. Make sure you test both local and remote connections to isolate host-specific denial. If you still get access denied, inspect MySQL error log and Phpmyadmin's own error output for specific codes. Also verify SE Linux or AppArmor isn't blocking web server access to the socket or credentials. A key troubleshooting tip: tail the MySQL log while you attempt login to see exact failure reasons in real time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.